everybody, it's Terry McIntosh here again from Zone 7 Business Coaching, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about systemizing your business. And so why is that important? Well, it's probably one of the most crucial steps that's missed by a lot of entrepreneurs and a lot of small business owners. So why do you need to systemize your business? Well, if you have any chance of selling this business at some point, you're going to want to have systems in place, because that's what the venture capitalists, that's what other business owners are going to want to see. You want to know how your business operates, how many people are required in that business to make it work. Another reason is that it makes it easier for you to step out of your business, for your business to run without you, kind of on autopilot, if you will. So now I'm going to tell you what you can do and then how you can do it to set up your business to be systemized. So, you need to create processes for every job for your business, your sales and marketing department, your operations department, whatever it is that your business does, your management and administration, and your financial sides. Each one of those requires you to write an operating procedure for that. You need to go break it down and say what it is that each step of this does. So what I've done is I've created 5 steps here that you can go through to make sure that you've captured everything that you need to make sure that your systems are in place. So the first one we have, detect. What I mean by that is you recognize when something is done over and over again in one of those 4 sections or parts of your business that I talked about before, about the sales management, the operations, the marketing, and the financial. So if you see something that's done over and over again, write down the way that you do it so that somebody else can come in, read how to do it, and just step into the job. The second one, you need to define. Define the process. You name it, who does it, when it gets done, what starts off the process. All these things need to be identified to make sure that the process is correctly created. Third problem. Describing it. And what I mean by describing is that you need to detail the steps in a written document. The first thing is that you want to do what I call the happy path. If everything goes well while you're doing this process, these are the steps that you take. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or however many there are. And the second thing is all the exceptions. Anything that can go wrong. Can something go wrong in step 3? You need to say, well, what can go wrong? What do you do to fix it if it goes wrong? And then, how do you know when this process from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how do you know when that is complete? You need to write all this stuff down. So that's the describe step. The next step, here's the favorite one, delegate. What that means is you to hire or outsource someone else that can do this this task or this system that you just put into place, so you can concentrate on what you like to do. The next thing, and the last part that kind of ties it all together, and it makes sure that you have a good running business and a good running system, is this. You need to refine it. Once you have everything documented, you've detected it, you've defined it, you've described it, you've delegated it, now you need to use what the Japanese call kaizen. And that is small incremental improvements. You'll be surprised, once you turn this over to somebody else, they might find out that, well, in step 3, when we had these problems, if you do this, X, Y, and Z, you can come back to the regular happy path a lot faster and a lot less expensive. Okay? So here, those are the 5 steps that I use to define my systems in my business and in my clients' businesses. And I hope this was beneficial to you. I'm Terry McIntosh, Zone 7 Business Coaching. Thanks a lot.